Welcome to my review of the Canon 100mm macro lens. Before we get started, I wanted to ask you to please click the like and subscribe buttons below, as it really does help out the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get into this review. First, we're going to start with the basic specs. The lens has an f2.8 aperture, a minimum focus distance of 11.8 inches, and a built-in optical image stabilizer. This lens really does have some standout abilities. The physical focus finder and the ability to get focus so close to the lens allows you to do some truly amazing close-up shots while perfectly framing the subject. The wide aperture lets you ensure that the background is nothing but smooth, beautiful bokeh while also allowing you to shoot in more challenging lighting conditions. This allows for some truly amazing photos, and the new optical image stabilization allows you to take these photos handheld without needing to take a bulky and cumbersome tripod with you. This may not seem like much, but this stabilization gives a great boost to the quality of your photos as it reduces the motion blur caused by holding the camera in your hand. This allows you to be a lot more creative in the photos that you take, and with Canon's amazing autofocus, you don't have to worry about coming back with photos that are slightly soft. This really does give you the confidence to stop worrying about the camera and focus more on the photo itself. That's really the great part about this lens. It not only does a great job of being a 100mm lens, but it truly opens up new shooting possibilities and allows for you to take photos that you really couldn't take without it. This is only enhanced by the physical quality of the lens itself. It's got a rigid plastic body along with rubber weatherproof sealing, which means you should be able to take it out into nature without having to worry about whether or not it will survive. This is just part of what makes it so great in my opinion. It does an amazing job of taking photos and helps you to focus on the subject and not your camera. I understand that there are some gearheads out there who will love to definitely obsess over each individual lens, filter, and camera body that they use, and this lens will definitely satisfy them as well. But at the end of the day, it's the photos that are produced that are what really matters, and that's where this lens really comes into its prime. It's one of the cheapest L-series lenses that Canon offers and really does a great job of getting out of the way and allowing you to take the photos. It has relatively low vignetting and distortion, which means less work to do after the fact, and this, along with the rest of the specs, mean that this lens is a truly great buy, and with a price tag of only around $750, I think it's a truly great steal. No other lenses offered by them offer such a good mix of value and performance while also opening up so many shooting possibilities that you can't do without a lens like this. Thank you for watching, and feel free to support this channel by using the product links listed below.